Yes, guys, so we're just here at the Canton Fair, and I want to find the best luggage supplier, right? So let's take like a aluminium suitcase supplier, very similar to Rimowa, and very, very important to clarify here, I don't want to copy Rimowa, I don't want to make exactly the same as them, but I want to maybe take inspiration from their style and develop something on top of that and improve on top of what they have, right? So I want to find a supplier who's capable of making Rimowa style, and something you should definitely utilize when you come to the Canton Fair is that they have the Canton Fair app, right? So if I open up, if you just go Canton Fair, it's got its own app here at the show, and if I go into Canton Fair and I'm just going to type in suitcase, right, and if I type in suitcase, it brings up all the suitcase options. So I'm going to scroll until I find something like this one here, which is very similar to the Rimowa style, so I know that they're capable of making. As it's loading, it's going to give me all the product information, MOQ, address of the factory, all that sort of stuff, and then it's also got their booth number. So the booth number it's showing me here is 19.2 F18. So right now we're in hall 19.2, and you can see here, look down the middle, how many different luggage suppliers there are. And if I had to walk into every single booth and see which one does Rimowa style luggage, it would take me hours, right? According to the app, the picture looks very similar, so let's go take a look to see if we can find someone capable of making that style of luggage, right? So here we're in 19.2, we need to hit F, so 19.2 F, now let's hit F18. Boom, 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 boom. This is when we've got to play that backing music. All right, so this is 19.2 F, so it's going to be that way. So we've got 19.2 F15. And then this is the company here. This is the one that we were looking at on the app, and we found it right here. So let's go see if we can speak to the team and find out more information about this luggage. Yes, how's it going, guys? So we are with Richard. How's it going? You good?
Good. What about you?
I'm doing great, thank you. We just came across these really cool luggages, and these are looking incredible. Very similar to a brand we all know, but maybe, Richard, you could explain a little bit about this piece of luggage and how it differs between a brand like Rimowa.
Absolutely. So for this 26-inch we produced, this is our model YCT003. So we are using marine grade aluminum 5052 with a thickness customizable by you, and these ones are actually super reliable. So they don't break easy, and you can perfectly have an adult standing on it perfectly fine.
Oh, cool. So can I try that out then?
Absolutely.
This is aluminum, stainless steel, titanium?
This is, we currently for this model, this is aluminium, and it's full aluminium actually.
Oh, very cool.
As you can see.
It survives the test. Very good, very good. It's very robust, and there's nothing inside it as well, so it's hollow.
No, it's hollow, yeah.
It's a very good construction. And then, what would be like the MOQ you would expect from a new customer for an item like this?
For aluminium luggages, we do 300 MOQ because for this certain amount of MOQ, we can maintain a competitive price for our customers, and everything's customizable. We can realize your ideas from scratch, and the interior as well. So we're a manufacturer. Our factories in Dongguan, feel free to hit us up.
That's actually a very good point about full customization, because sometimes they might like everything about it but want to change the handle, or like maybe the screws they want a different color, or maybe the thickness of the aluminium wants slightly different depending on the market. So that's very interesting that you got full customization. And then here you even have this like really cool clip feature.
We can hook your bag here, and it will be easy hookup.
Very cool, very cool. And then I assume you can do it in any color you want, because we've got one here as well, which is like a carry-on size. So do you have like full customization, like any Pantone color they want, they can make it any color, right?
Yes. Normally we would recommend for universal colors like silver and black. And if you send us your customized Pantone color, we can guarantee at least 80% of the accuracy, because the anodizing process can make a slight difference based on how bright the colors are. Yeah. But for the most part, yes, we accept full colors.
And the anodizing process, that's basically when you spray the aluminium, right, to the desired color of... and, I think a problem with the Rimowas is a lot of them scratch. So do you have any products here which are maybe scratch-proof, which can solve that problem?
Interestingly, that's one of the techniques we're developing right now. So for cases such as this model, we're using the hard anodization process. These are actually super scratch resistant and almost scratch-free.
Do you have any like keys or something we could...
Yes, absolutely. We'll show you in a second. So if you use your keys to scratch the surface, the scratches can be easily removed just by swiping it.
So you just basically rub it a little bit and then... Oh yeah, then it comes off.
Yes, then it comes off.
Very cool. What's the coating that makes it scratch proof?
We went through the hard anodizing process, so the oxidation layer is actually thicker than normal aluminum. This is the aluminum grade 5052 we use. For the frames we use 6062. And this model we're selling mainly to our Japan customers, so as we know, Japanese tend to have higher
quality standards, right?
Standards for the products. So normally this model sells for $118 US, under 300 MOQ, and this one was the technique that scratch proof will actually come to the price of 147, but you know, everything's negotiable.
Sure, yeah. With the quantity, the order, the market they're going into, the certification required, the thickness of the aluminium, everything is negotiable in terms of price. But that's very cool. So essentially we found a really, really top factory which can make really cool stainless steel, aluminium, titanium, any type of metal they want, right, can be used. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I just wanted your attention real quick just to show you inside my school community, Sourcing with Kian, where here you can post any questions you like on the community wall. I've got a classroom section where I've got courses and trainings and guides on product development, sourcing, supply chain, all my documents, templates, forms, contracts, scripts to be sending to suppliers, making sure your products are profitable, how to qualify manufacturers, Canton Fair course, plus much more. I've also got an office hours section. This is where I do all my weekly live group coaching calls, and they're all recorded and submitted here as well. I have guest speakers that I bring on. Plus, if you're in Asia or Australia, we have calls for your time zone as well. We've got community members all over the world, and these guys are 6, 7, 8 figure sellers on Amazon, Shopify, Kickstarter. So if you're interested to join this community and learn more, click the link below, book a call, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside.
For luxuries, you know, we even provide these carbon fiber luggages.
Is this like real carbon? Oh, it's very light actually, yeah.
Five layers of carbon fiber with 1.5 millimeter thickness, and depending on your needs, we can, you know, customize how they look and the thickness of it as well. So feel free to hit us up.
That's very cool. And then you got like the little accessories as well, like if you want this little pouch, which I think is quite cool. I don't really use these like man bag type things, but if you like a little man purse, that's quite cool.
Yeah, everything, you know, if you send us the design draft, our design department can always work with you to develop the items you want. Like for example, these single card cases we developed for, such as baseball cards or let's say Yu-Gi-Oh or Magic the Gathering. Anything you dream of, anything you come up with an idea with, we can work with you.
Amazing. And that's actually really important to work with a factory which has an in-house design team as well, because normally you have to provide the designs and the drawings and the sketches to the factory, and then sometimes the factory receives it and then they're like, oh, we can't make this, or this is a high tooling cost, high mold cost. Whereas if you work with the factory on the designs, you're designing it knowing what your capabilities are in production, so it's a lot more efficient and a lot more smooth, and you've basically figured out the most cost-effective way to make things as well. So it's always good to partner with a factory which has in-house design. Something I really like, which maybe I think we should bring back, is a suitcase. So this is like a briefcase. This is basically a stainless steel, or is this aluminium as well?
This is aluminium as well. You know, we are a factory that's previously worked with multiple brands, world-known brands. We used to make cosmetic suitcases for Dior and Chanel as well.
Oh,
so
very cool.
Feel free to, you know, check us out.
So you made like cosmetic cases for Dior and Chanel. Was that for like briefcases like this?
Briefcases, this one we previously produced for Samsonite. So if you're interested in similar kind of design or just different sizes, just let us know and we'll hit you up.
I think we should bring the briefcases back, guys. Come on, let's make briefcases cool again. Little coffee shop meetings with the briefcase. Have a few stacks of cash in there as well. One of the biggest mistakes I see e-commerce founders make is ordering inventory without having demand ready. Your products are on the water from China and you're hoping that they sell when they arrive. But smart brands build demand before the inventory even lands. And one of the most powerful ways to do this is through email marketing. When you have a strong email list, you can launch products, run pre-orders, clear inventory faster, and keep customers coming back again and again. The more demand you can generate, the more leverage you have when negotiating price, MOQ, delivery dates, and credit terms with your factories, because now you're placing bigger and more confident orders. That's why I recommend OmniSend. It's built specifically for e-commerce brands and lets you automate emails, recover abandoned carts, segment customers, and run really, really effective product launch campaigns. OmniSend helps you take care of all of this by giving you professional email templates, pre-built automations and workflows, advanced customer segmentation and analytics, plus tools like list cleaning, A/B testing, and performance reporting, so you can constantly improve your your campaigns. You can also sync your audiences with Google and Facebook, so everything works together in one powerful platform built for e-commerce brands. You can start completely for free, and if you upgrade, you'll get 30% off using the link in the description down below. Check out omnisend/Kian or scan the QR code. Now let's get back to the video. Any other interesting products? I think you got the cool Rimowa style range, which we can make improvements on, and then we have the carbon fiber range. We've got the suitcase, the briefcase.
You know, if you prefer something luxurious looking, we also provide these. We have PU, or depending on your needs, we can also do real leather as well. So these one are the models we have for business classes. People really enjoy this kind of design.
It's like premium leather as well.
Yes.
Is that PU or real leather?
This is PU, but for depending on the material and your needs, we can always do real leather.
Very cool, very cool. And then you have like the Travel Sentry safe lock as well, the TSA lock. Very, very cool. Amazing. Any final words you want to share with the audience? We've given the prices of this, but obviously everything is negotiable. Definitely get in touch. That's Richard's name card. I'm going to put the information in the description of this video down below. Hit up Richard for all your suitcase needs. And yeah, thank you so much for taking the time. Really appreciate it. All the best. Have a good one.